It still hurts. It still hurts.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm totally different today, and that's totally fine. I'm in this cute wig from Amazon, I believe. I am bringing you today a DIY acne treatment mask. This is towards scarring, redness, hyperpigmentation, deep pitted scars, even those red bumps that you get that are not necessarily papules or pustules. They're just kind of like red marks on your skin. So this mask that I put together for you guys today is definitely aimed towards people who have those skin concerns. So a little background, I'm a licensed professional in skincare. I'm a licensed esthetician. So I studied skincare for about 6 months, and I learned so much. During going to school, I actually suffered so bad with acne. So not only do I want to come to you and help you guys who are also suffering with acne, but I definitely want to share some tips and tricks on how I got rid of my acne. Don't get me wrong, I still have like imperfections, but now my acne is completely clear. All I have now is scarring and hyperpigmentation. So if you have the same problem or even active breakouts, this mask is right for you, and I'm so excited to share. And if you like DIYs, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification button so you guys know when I post a new video so you'll never miss another one. Thank you so much, and let's get into it. Our ingredient list today is aloe vera, all natural honey, a cutting board, a bowl, a knife, and a spoon. So the first step is to slice the aloe vera so that we can access the most effective part of the plant, which is a slimy part. Be careful cutting because the plant is super easily to slice. Aloe vera has been used for a host of purposes since the ancient Egyptians. It has been called the plant of immortality. Aloe treats sunburn because it is a healing agent, acts as a moisturizer because it helps prevent dry skin, it fights aging because it contains vitamins C and E, it lessens the visibility of stretch marks, it is rich for good health, and it also treats acne, which is why we're here today. Once you have isolated the slimy part of the aloe, place it in your bowl and add 1 teaspoon of honey. I'm using honey today because honey also has anti-inflammatory qualities that help prevent the swelling and redness that can come from acne. At first this wasn't mixing, so make sure you break down like the chunky parts of the aloe and just keep mixing till you get this type of consistency. So let's begin the facial. I'm gonna apply this directly to my skin. It's such a weird consistency, but just start with a little bit at a time. Aloe vera contains 2 hormones, auxin and gibberellins. These hormones provide wound healing and anti-inflammatory properties that reduce skin inflammation. Gibberellin in aloe acts as a growth hormone, stimulating new cell turnover and growth. It allows skin to heal quickly and naturally with minimal scarring. Aloe is soothing and can reduce skin inflammations, blistering, and itchiness while helping the skin heal more quickly. Once you left the mask on for 10 minutes, you can go ahead and take a hot towel to remove the product. The hot towel is going to help close the pores and really help all the nutrients just absorb into your skin. I really hope this mask is helpful for you out there who are also struggling with acne. And if you like DIY videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching.